Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Dito muna tayo sa usapang sports kasi heartbreaking yung pagkatalo, mga kababayan, ng ating tennis star na si Alex Ayala sa ginawang Lexus Eastbourne Open po. Pero sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, tuloy lang ang laban. Agad na nag-post mga kababayan sa kanyang social media account yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Tuloy lang ang laban. Alex, we all watch you make history as the first Filipino to reach a WTA 250 singles final. That alone is already a victory for our country and for the millions of Filipinos who stand proudly behind you. You have made us all proud. Keep going. Your best is yet to come. Yan mga kababayan ng Pangulo. Laging positibo yung pananaw. Manalo, matalo, nandyan ang kanyang suporta. Ganyan ang kailangan talaga, mga kababayan, na support ng isang leader, ng isang bansa. Diba po? So nakakaiyak naman talaga. Pati si Alex Ayala napaiyak nang bigyan siya ng pagkakataon na makapag-mensahe to the crowd. But still cheering crowd, mga kababayan. Kaanga-anga yung kanyang ipinakitang laban, mga kababayan. Kahit yung tennis legend na si Rafa Nadal, sabi niya, the first final of many finals, sabi niya, keep your head high, held high, Alex. So sabi dito sa report ng Daily Guardian, tennis legend Rafael Nadal lauded Alex Ayala following her historic campaign at the 2025 Eastbourne Open Final. The Filipina tennis star's commendable performance was just the first final of many finals, sabi po ni Nadal, the 22-time Grand Slam champion. Yan si Rafael Nadal, mga kababayan, dating Spanish former tennis player. Maging siya napahanga kahit natalo si Alex Ayala, mga kababayan. The Rafa Nadal Academy also congratulated its rising alumna who worked her way to the final after entering the WTA 250 event as a qualifier. We're also proud of you. Amazing tournament, sabi po ng Academy. So sabi dito, the First Lady also cheered on Ayala, 20 years old pa lang pala siya, a rising Filipino tennis sensation, adding that she still made the Filipino people proud. So sabi po ni Lisa Marcos, you may not have taken the win today, but your heart, grit, and sportsmanship spoke louder than any score. You fought with everything you had. And for that, we are so incredibly proud. So sabi po ni Mrs. Marcos, Ayala inspired a new generation of Filipinas to dream big and play even bigger. You played, Anya, with so much heart, courage, and grace. And while the score did not go our way, your spirit lit up the court. Thank you for showing us what true sportsmanship is like, and for inspiring every young Filipina to chase big dreams. Mabuhay ka, Alex. We are so proud of you. Sabi po ni Mrs. Lisa Marcos. So, si Ayala will face defending champion Barbora Krejcikova of the Czech Republic on Monday in the Wimbledon main draw. So, ang tumalo kay Ayala, si Maya Joint of Australia. So, sabi dito sa balita, Ayala's feat is still historic as she is the first Filipino with a WTA runner-up finish. So, nakaka-proud pa rin, mga kababayan, kahit hindi siya pinalat. Di ba? So, nakakatuwa ito sa ating mga mamamayang Filipino na mayroon tayong Alex Ayala na napakagaling na tennis player po. O, ito siya, mga kababayan, panoorin natin yung kanyang short message.
So close.
Video courtesy ng Manila Bulletin at ng Premier Sports WTA.
Oh my God. Okay. Well, first of all, I want to congratulate Maya for a great match and a great tournament. Yeah, I think you did really well. And I think, if I was to lose to anyone this week...
Ito yung tumalo sa kanya.
So, congratulations.
Sports lang. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to thank the organizers, LTA, for such a beautiful tournament. And of course, everybody who came to watch. I think you guys made it super special. It's my first WTA final. And yeah, it's a big deal for me and for my country too, because it's historic. It's the first time any Filipina has done anything.
Pinapalakpakan pa rin siya ng todo-todo. Naiyak sila, oh.
Yeah, I guess that's also why I'm so emotional. But, it's only the first. I'll definitely work hard to do more Wimbledon this next week. So, hopefully I'll forget about this match.
Bukas, Monday, Wimbledon.
Anyway, I'd like to thank my family and my team sitting right there. Yeah, it's been a crazy year. So I'll remember this week and this moment forever. So thank you, everybody.
Diba, mga kababayan, nakakaiyak pero nakaka-proud that we have a Filipina na ganyang kagaling. Filipina tennis player, mga kababayan, si Alex Yala. So sabi dito sa report ng Manila Bulletin, so close yet so far. Alex Yala came close to claiming her historic WTA Tour victory, only to lose to Australian Maya Joint 6-4, 1-6, 7-1, 7-6, 10 at the Lexus Eastbourne Open in Great Britain noong Sabado. Kahapon, sabi ni George Martin Concepcion, all the best tennis players, male or female, experience losses. Let this be the fuel that drives you to reach a milestone no Filipino has ever done before in tennis, winning a Grand Slam. Kaya siya, mga kababayan, historic para sa atin. Kaya proud na proud pa rin yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, yung first couple. At sigurado ako, proud na proud pa rin tayong lahat ng mga Filipino na may ganito kagaling na tennis player tayo po sa persona ni Alex Yala. Sabi ni Robert Golitem, congratulations, Alexandria Yala. Your achievement is rare to Philippine sports history. We do hope you can have your time as a champion in the coming years. Be more courageous and better to fulfill your goals ahead. Sabi ni Totoy Poy, yes, Alex, it's only the first. More to go. Nothing to be ashamed of. Congrats to you and Maya. Sabi ni Ron, proud of you, Alexandra Yala. A first-time Pinoy in WTA final. Sabi ni J-Link Infinity, Alexandra Alex Yala almost had a championship with 6-4, 1-6, 7-6. Yala led in the tie-break game 2-5, but Maya joined, tied it at 7-7, then 9-9, then 10-10, which Alex had 4 chances to win the championship, but it went down the wire. Maya joined, won the tiebreaker 12-10. An epic head-to-head electrifying championship match. A heartbreaking loss to Alex. Matindi po yung laban, mga kababayan. Hindi para kay Alex yung larong yun, mga kababayan. Sabi ni Merilo Tabuada, "Don't be sad, Alex. We saw you fight a real good fight on court. But as we all know, there will be times of winning and losing sometimes. But for us, you are indeed our champion in our hearts, and you will always will be forever." Sabi ni Genesis Realiza, "I know it's all about fatigue. That's part of the game. It's not an agony of defeat, but rather just a missed opportunity. You will be better, if not the best next time, Alex." Sabi ni Joey Bueno, "This is just the beginning of your promising tennis career, Alex. Keep pushing, keep believing. Greater victories are ahead." Sabi ni Miles Lorocam, "We are so proud of you, Alex. You have come so far in this kind of sports where seldom Filipinos can get into. Sometimes, losing is more than winning. Just trust in God's perfect time. He will give you that win." Sabi ni Efren Canabi, "You are a new hero to us Filipino. You did a good fight. You fought so hard for the glory of God and our country." Sabi ni Ami Talento, "Congratulations, Alex Yala. Still, you are a Filipino pride. That's a very good fight. We're so proud of you. Keep fighting." Sabi ni Terso, "What a great honor, Alex. Thank you for raising our Philippine flag so high. Keep going. God bless." Sabi ni Michael Papa, "Congrats, Alex Yala. You made tennis the Filipinos' national sports right now. The best is yet to come for you, and we'll be there to cheer for you always. Our sensational millennial tennis superstar, Alex Yala. God bless." So that's it, mga kababayan. Napakaganda yung laban. Pero sa laban, talagang may nananalo, may natatalo. Ganun talaga yon.
Sa mga naghanap ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab Car Rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international, and bills payment for Meralco bills, PLDT, Aleco bills, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Chilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Yan yung aming Innova. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Pati mga foreigners po, tingnan ninyo. Mga British tourists sila. Ang lalaki ng katawan na, mga kababayan, nag-gym sa amin. Ito naman po, Indian National. Ito mga mga European sila. Ito naman yung bago naming product na binibenta online, Eye Glow Serum. Whitening po siya galing sa South Korea. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect entrepreneur, Riz Maravillas. For inquiries, look for Riz Maravillas on FB. Ito naman po, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream. Pinapahid po ito sa mga pulses and affected area. Mahina po ito sa mga pains at paninigas na mga kasong-kasoan. Ito po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age.
Ito naman po yung bagong product na binibenta namin online. I Am Worldwide Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powdered Drink Mix from Australia. Endorsed by actress Maritone Fernandez, isa pong cancer survivor. Ang mga health benefits niya po, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhances energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Contact nyo na lang yung aking anak, architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas, para sa inyong mga inquiries. Sa mga mahilig naman po sa mga imported bags and wallets, pwede ninyong kontakin si Ma'am Eileen Rosales sa Eileen Closet. Yan yung page niya po. Yan. Ayan si Ma'am Eileen Rosales po. Message na lang po kayo sa kanyang messenger. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.